IPTV Smarters Pro App is one of the best apps you can download on your TV. In today's tech video, I am going to show you 3 different ways to install the IPTV Smarters Pro App on your Roku. It can be really frustrating when you want to watch some of the great content that is available on the IPTV Smarters Pro app, and you find out that your TV is unable to download it. If your TV is an older model, smart TV, it may prevent you from downloading this app directly from the App Store. But don't worry, there is a simple solution. The method I'm going to show you will allow you to install and use the IPTV Smarters Pro app on virtually any TV, no matter the brand or the year it was made. The only requirement is that your TV has an HDMI port available. I recommend using a Roku stick or an Amazon Fire TV stick. Both of these media streaming devices give you access to app stores where you can download the IPTV Smarters Pro app directly. Once installed, you can use the Roku or Fire Stick as your main streaming device. This completely bypasses the operating system built into your TV, which is especially helpful if your TV is older or no longer receiving software updates. If you want to invest a little more money into a more powerful and robust streaming experience, you may also want to consider the Apple TV 4K. It offers additional features, faster performance, and long-term software support. All of these devices simply plug into the HDMI port on your TV. It doesn't matter how old your TV is or what model you have. As long as it has HDMI, you're good to go. I've had great success using these streaming players, and they are an easy and affordable way to expand the capabilities of your television. I'll place links down in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the channel because I make tech videos just like this all the time. I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.